everyone, welcome to this new segment in my new video that I wanted to do. I'm working on new lighting and things like that, and hopefully it'll be better, but we all know I film here in my office. Excuse the desk, gotta clean it. These are more videos that I want to do, so I'm stepping out of the norm of the wigs and things like that and trying to do different content. So here we go, you guys. Wish me luck. So I don't have any makeup on today based on the fact that I wanted to try these items, but I wanted to open them for the first time on the video, so no makeup. So here we go. The first thing I got, this is my Sephora haul. The first thing I got was Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So I'll tell you my stories on why I chose the items I chose, but this one I only chose because it was on the way into the, you know, when you're about to check out and they got that little stuff right there and they're trying to entice you with more items and you're like, oh, no more. Why not? That was that. So I'm going to try this setting spray because right now I use NYX. So we'll see how that works. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Now this right here is not a new one for me because I already use it. But true story is somebody stole it, y'all. Just straight jacked me for my Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is just me replacing it because I've been using just black liner pencils and I'm over it. So I got it in chocolate, which is usually my color I usually get it in. But guess what I did, you guys? Guess what I did? I went on a whim and I purchased Granite too. So I just want to see how they look because let me tell you something. There's so many girls and because they're lighter skinned or whatever, they could try all these different colors. So I'm like, why can't I, you know? So, Granite. I also got Fenty Beauty Madison, why can't I say it? Madame. Okay, that's what it is, Madame. So, it's like a red color. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. I like it. But it's a red matte. If you can't see, let me see if I can. It'll let me. That is the color. Ooh. So, I got that. I got this one out of the little section when you walk in the front too, where you just grab that last minute stuff. And since I didn't buy the full one, I purchased, it's like a little mini Fenty Bomb Baby. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And it's like a mini lip and face set. So, looks kind of like, so I got too much lighting. We're working on that. So it comes, oh, it's a little baby one. Ain't it cute? Oh, Hustler Baby. Wait, there we go. Oh, it looks so pretty on there. Can't wait to put it on. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to. Oh, ooh. So, that came with that, and then it came with this gloss. I'm trying to take it out. And Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Okay, looks kind of sort of like, we'll try it though. And then, last but not least, because 50 million people told me to go out and buy this, and I have been listening because they said that it would look good on my skin color. And if I heard one more person say it, then I was going to have a heart attack. So I went and got Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Yeah, I got it. I did. I paid the money. Don't tell my husband. I did. Matter of fact, don't even show my husband this video. Okay? Okay, y'all? This is our secret. Okay. So, I'm sure you guys have already saw this all over YouTube. So, even me swatch. Oh, fuck. Swatching it isn't going to make a difference. But, y'all, I feel like a whole face of Fenty coming up in the next video. So, that's what I got from my Sephora haul. And I thank you guys for tuning in and watching and following me for this many years. I know I don't have very many followers. But, you know what? This is a new year, and you never know. I may get more. So, thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.